Hello children, how are you? How was your exam? Did you write well? We can start our second term. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Food We Eat. Chapter 6, Food We Eat. Can you see this basket? What all things are inside in this basket? We can see various food items. We can see apple, banana, beans, beetroot. Fruits and vegetables are included in this basket. So, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 6, Food We Eat. Can you see a picture? What is the child doing? Can you say what is the child doing? Child is eating. Now tell me children, why do we need food? Now tell me children, when we eat food when we feel hungry. We eat food when we feel hungry. So food is one of our basic need that we cannot avoid. Food is one of our basic need that we cannot avoid. Now tell me, why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to grow, be healthy, to get energy, to walk and play. We need food to grow, be healthy, to get energy to walk and play. Have you seen the board meals ready in the hotel? Have you noticed that? Meals ready. What is the meaning of meal? Can you say what is the meaning of meal? Meal is a food that we eat. What is a meal? Meal is a food that we eat. There are three types of meals. There are three types of meals that we are going to learn now. There are three types of meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Which are the three types of meals? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Say with me, breakfast, lunch, dinner. We have breakfast in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. We have dinner at night. Once again, we have breakfast in the morning. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have dinner at night. So, when we have breakfast in the morning. And when we have lunch in the afternoon. And when we have dinner at night. Did you learn the three meals? Next we are going to learn healthy meal. Children, can you say the name of food items that you eat every day? Can you say the name of food items? We eat vegetables, fruits, dal, rice, idli, chapati, etc. All these food items keeps us healthy. All these food items keeps us healthy. What is a healthy meal? What is a healthy meal? Children, what is a healthy meal? A meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is a healthy meal. A meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is a healthy meal. Next we are going to learn about importance of water and milk. Like food, water is also important to us. It helps us to digest food. It helps us to digest food. What is the meaning of digest? Can you say the meaning of digest? Digest means to change food into simple form so that our body can use it. Digest means to change our food. The food that we eat is changed into simple form so that our body can use it. Do you know children we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. We should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. How many glasses of water we have to drink? 6 to 8 glasses of water. Like water, milk is also good for health. Like water, milk is also good for health. It keeps our bones and teeth strong. It keeps our bones and teeth strong. So, will you drink milk and water? Next, we are going to learn sources of food. Children, where does the food comes from? Where does the food comes from? We get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Children, where does the food comes from? We get food from plants and animals. In the picture you can see plants. From plants we will get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses from plants. And the next picture we can see cow, goat. Cow and goat gives milk. Cow and goat gives milk. And also from the milk we will get butter, cheese. All these are food items that we get from milk. In the next picture we can see goat, hen, fish. We will eat the meat of these animals. Goat, hen, fish. All these animals give meat. Next, hen. In the next picture we can see hen. Hen gives eggs. Hen gives eggs. These are the food that we get from plants and animals. Hope you understand this. Next we are going to learn golden food habits that we should follow. First one, eat meals at the right time. Do not waste food. You should eat meals at the right time. Do not waste food. We learned what is a meal that we learned. What is a meal? Meal is a food that we eat. We should eat meals at the right time. There are 3 main meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner, that we should eat at the right time. We should not waste food. Next point, chew your food well. Do not overeat. We should chew our food while we eating. Do not overeat. Overeat means we should not eat too much. We should not eat too much. Third one, do not eat uncovered food. Do not eat food that is not covered. You will get diseases. Next, wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands before and after eating. Are you washing your hands? You should wash your hands before and after eating. Next, sit at the dining table and eat meals with your family. Sit at the dining table and eat meals with your family. You should sit at the dining table. You should not sit here and there. You have to sit at the dining table and eat with your family. Next, eat healthy food. We learned what is healthy food. So, you should eat healthy food. Next, do not eat from roadside shops. We can see many shops in the roadside. You should not eat food from roadside shops. You will get diseases when you eat those foods. Next, drink clean water so that you do not fall sick. Drink clean water so that you do not fall sick. You have to drink clean water, otherwise you will fall sick. These are the golden food habits that you should follow. Nowadays, it is important to follow these food habits which keep us healthy. So, I hope you understand this chapter. We can do the exercise of chapter 8, page number 26. Fill in the blanks. First one, we have dash in the morning. We have breakfast in the morning. Write breakfast. Second, dash helps us to digest our food. Dash helps us to digest our food. Water. Right? Water. Water helps us to digest our food. Next, third one, we get fruit from dash. We get fruit from plants. Right? Plants. Fourth one, we get milk from dash and dash. We get milk from cow and goat. We get milk from cow and goat. Right? Cow, goat. Fifth one, a meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is a dash meal. A meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is a healthy meal. Right? Healthy. Next exercise. Make happy face for a correct statement and sad face for an incorrect statement. You have to write happy face and sad face for each statement. First one, we need food to grow and be healthy. This sentence is correct. We need food to grow and be healthy. That is correct. So, draw happy face. Second one, we must drink 6-8 glasses of milk every day. We must drink 6-8 glasses of milk every day. That is wrong. So, sad face. Draw sad face. Third one, we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. That is correct. So, draw happy face. Fourth one, we have dinner in the morning. We have dinner in the morning. That is wrong. We have dinner at night, not in the morning. So, draw sad face. Last one, we eat 3 main meals in a day. We eat 3 main meals in a day. This is correct. So, draw happy face. Did you understand this exercise? Write in the textbook. Take next page, 27. Put a cross on the food we should not eat. Put cross mark to the food that we cannot eat. In the first picture, we can see houseflies on these food items. Can we eat this? No. So, put cross mark. In the next picture, we can see food items are kept covered. Can we eat this? Yes. So, they asked to put only cross to the food items that we should not eat. Here we will put cross. Here put tick mark. The second food item are kept covered. Can we eat this? Yes. So, put tick mark. These food items are not covered. So, put cross. These are junk foods. Pizzas, hamburgers and all. Junk foods. So, put cross mark. These food items are not healthy. So, put cross. Here we can see flies on food items. This is roadside shop. So we have to put wrong. So with this exercise is over. Children, we learned there are 3 main meals. Which are the 3 main meals? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. And our activity is we have to prepare food plate of these 3 meals. I prepare food plate of the 3 meals and that I will show you. Children, this is our activity. You have to prepare food plate of 3 main meals. We learned there are 3 main meals. Which are there? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like this way you have to prepare food plate. This is my food plate. In breakfast I have apple, milk, banana. Then in lunch, rice, pulses, water. And in dinner I have chapati, meat, cereals, water. These are the food items that I have in a day. Like this way you have to do it and send to me. Next is our home task. You have to read the text 3 times, write and learn the notes and exercise and send it and also do the activity. Hope you will do all this. See you in the next class. Thank you.